Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add header in Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. So this is Wix editor page. You have to click on this pages and menu and then choose which page you want to edit. Like I'm edit this one, drop down to. Now you have to click on this plus icon, add element. Now you'll find here strip. Click on strip and you can click on this. And now if you want to change the background, you can see here change background. Click on this and click on image, and now you can add any image you want. I'm adding this one, beach town. Now click on this. Okay, you can see that a header has been added with the beautiful image. Okay guys, so after click on, you have to click on save. After click on save, this is will be saved as a header. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.